Got a homemade barbecue smoker on a trailer. I think it was on Craigslist. It was $250 or $300. It's got its own smoker box here. Got some turkey on there for Christmas. It should be really good. This smoker's all homemade. It was made out of a propane barrel. A great big propane cylinder. The other part was made out of a cylinder too. It looks like a propane. We got the temperature at 300. Right over 300, 325. No, right at 300. It works good. The meat tastes really good when it's smoked. They put a lucky horseshoe on there. Whoever built it, and there's a number on there too. It's only got little 12-inch tires on it. I hope that don't go out. It looks like I might want to go out. Yeah, homemade barbecue smoker.